We finished the drill program, the surface drill program. We learned a lot. The project manager said, we need to set up phase 2 drilling for underground. What do we need to do that? Well, we've already scaled this thing. We need to build an escape route. We need to timber. We need to, obviously, there's a couple areas we need to make it a lot safer to have equipment and men in there. I brought in a shift boss, a very experienced shift boss, who went in, did an evaluation, looked at the report, saw the work that was done, said, okay, we need to scale here, here, and here. We need to put timbers here, here, and here. We need to put doors up. We need to warm this place up. We're doing this in the middle of winter, and one of the worst winters we've had out here in Vancouver in a while. And we had to keep the road open. We had to get heavy equipment up there. We had to get different manpower up there. And we've accomplished that all. We've spent about $350,000 in the last 60 days to completely rehab the underground, and we now have access to essentially anywhere we want to go to put a drill platform and drill underground. And that's exactly what we intend to do. So we put phase 2 together, which is the 5th or 6th component in our business plan. What do we expect to happen from that? Well, being able to drill at point 0 underground into a mineralized area, and understanding now that you've got a survey, you've got a 3D model that'll tell you where you can drill, what angle, what depth, how far, information that we didn't have before, and it was very critical. We've now filled those spots, and the puzzle is starting to reveal itself. We expect to hit some new targets. Certainly an awful lot of the work that we've done in the exploration program in 2016, the drilling was only one part of it. We did very detailed mapping, sampling, structural surveying, and now we brought in a survey team that brought drones with them and instrumentation of all kinds to be able to measure and be able to bring everything into UTM coordinates so that we could properly measure every open area down there. We've got 10.5 kilometers of underground workings, tunnels, drifts, stopes, ramps. Now we understand where everything is from a 3D standpoint. Now we can determine where we can put that drill, where we're going to get the best bang for our dollar. It'll give us the ability to test several new targets without having to spend a lot of money to do it. From surface, some of those targets would be 500-600 meters, very expensive drill holes, somewhere in the area of $70,000, $80,000, $100,000 drill holes. Now we can go after these same targets for $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and a couple thousand meter drill program, which is what we hope to do. We think we can get real impact from that. We expect that we're going to be able to add a lot of value to this company, and put it into a situation where all of the off-balance assets come into play. And I think that we'll have a multiple. If we're successful, we'll have a multiple, some kind of multiple on the current stock price. And that's what we intend to do.